Hi everyone. So today your lesson is on simple sentences. And so when you type out the topic, please type out simple sentences, put today's date, and then also the essential question, which is what are the parts of a simple sentence and what functions do they serve? So something that I want to point out is that there's a lot of different parts of language. There's individual sounds, there's parts of words, there's individual words, there's phrases, there's clauses, dependent clauses and independent clauses. Then you have whole sentences and paragraphs. And so the way that it sort of works is that you go from small pieces of language to larger pieces of language. So I want to talk to you today specifically about clauses and sentences. So when we talk about parts of a simple sentence, we usually talk about a topic and a comment. So every single sentence has some sort of topic, which is what the whole sentence is about. It's usually a noun, like a person, place, thing, quality, or idea. And this is what the whole sentence is about. So you have that topic, and then you have a comment. So it's the part of the sentence that says something or describes something about the topic. Usually the topic is going to come first, and then the comment will come next. So it's called a simple sentence because for a sentence to be considered complete, it needs both a topic and a comment. That's sort of like the simplest version of a sentence is just a topic and comment. You can add more to simple sentences to make them more complex, but you can't really take anything away or else it's not going to be complete anymore. So I want to give you 3 examples of simple sentences right here. The first one is the students are studying after school. The second one is 5 puppies are snoozing quietly in their beds. And the third one is nap time is an important practice for children. So you might already be thinking to yourself, okay, I think I know what the topic is for each of these sentences and what the comment is for each of these sentences. So let's go ahead and look at these sentences broken down a little bit further. So for example 1, remember, you had the students are studying after school. So I want you right now in your head to try to figure out like what is the topic and what comment is being made about the topic. And if you need to, you can just pause it right here, okay? So if we're thinking about the topic, the whole sentence is about the students, okay? And then we have a different part of the sentence that's telling us something about the students. So what about the students? Well, they are studying after school. So this right here is the comment part of the sentence. So you see very clearly right here, the first part of the sentence, it has the noun, it has the topic, and then the second part of the sentence comments on the topic, okay? It's telling you more information and commenting on the students. So let's take the second example. 5 puppies are snoozing quietly in their beds. So I want you to try to take the information that we talked about from the first sentence and ask yourself right now, what is the topic and what comment is being made about that topic? So just like we said before, the topic is going to come first usually. So the whole sentence is about 5 puppies and what they're doing. And that right there is the comment. The comment tells you what the topic is doing, tells you more information about the topic. So 5 puppies, that's the topic of the sentence. The comment of the sentence is that they are snoozing quietly in their beds. Then this last one, I wanted to pick a noun that was a little bit more abstract. So that way you could still see how it worked even when we're not picking pretty simple nouns. So nap time is an important practice for children. So what is the topic and what comment is being made about the topic? So we know that this entire sentence is about nap time, okay? And I know it's confusing because it's 2 different words, but it's one concept, nap time. And then the rest of the sentence is an important practice for children. That is the comment and it's telling you information about nap time. Okay, so pretty simple, but I want you to take this information and apply it to your work this week. Okay, so by now you have taken your notes. You have answered those questions using your notes. You have done your writing prompt. So what I want you to do is I want you to go back to your writing response that is on the previous slide, slide 10. I want you to identify 3 simple sentences that you wrote and underline them. Okay, so underline the 3 sentences once you've picked them out. And then for each of those simple sentences, I want you to highlight the topic of the sentence in green, just like I did on the screen right here, and then highlight the comment of the sentence in purple, just like I did right there. So this is something that I'm going to grade today because I want to see how you are intentionally applying the skills from the lesson into your writing, okay? Because anything that you learn about language should immediately help you in terms of being a better communicator, making sure that what you are trying to say is very clear and understood, because you deserve that. You deserve to be understood when you use language as a person. So I'm going to give this a 3-point grade. In order to make a 3 out of 3, show me that you can A, correctly identify simple sentences, and then also that you can understand the difference between a topic and a comment by identifying those separately as well, okay? So when you go back, you're gonna go to this writing prompt response, and your writing is gonna be down here. Underline those 3 sentences and then highlight the topics and comments appropriately.